Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So yes, in the last class we have done the problems on the rank of the matrix by reducing echelon form. Here we have few examples on the same, that is rank of the matrix only. So here we have one different question, that is find the value of value of A in order that the matrix A equals to this one has rank 2. So here given that its rank, that is rank is 2, but here we have to find A values, that is this A value. Okay, so by using this concept, this is rank of this matrix is 2. So given that rank of this matrix is 2, it means that it has 2 non-zero rows. Okay, we know that in the echelon form, if it has 2 non-zero rows, then its rank will be 2. If it has 3 non-zero rows, then rank will be 3, like this. Because its rank is 2, definitely it must have 3 that is 2 non-zero rows, right? So by using that concept, you can find A value easily. So first we have to reduce this matrix into echelon form. Okay, so that is, first write the given matrix, that is let A equals to 2 4 minus 4A minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay, so in order to reduce it into echelon form, we need first entry must be 1. For that we can multiply this R1 by 1 by 2 into R1. But if I multiply with 2, then this becomes 1. But this last entry becomes A divided by 2, which will be in the fraction. So fractions are quite confusing or lengthy to calculate. Okay, so therefore we go for interchanging this R2 R1 with R3, so that will be easy to calculate. Then definitely this become, that is first entry becomes 1. Okay, that means, so in the other examples also, if we have leading element 1 in the other rows, then we can easily interchange. Okay, so here we interchange this R1 with R3. Okay, if possible you can interchange. This is also one of the elementary operation. So interchanging, we get A is equivalent to, so now all the R3 entries becomes in the place of R1, that is 1 2 minus 1 3. R2 remains same, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 2, and 2 4 minus 4 A. Okay, now we can observe that the first entry becomes 1. Now we have to make these two as zeros. For that we apply the elementary operations. Here it is in the R2 place. R2 is equals to, first we have to always consider R2 only. We are applying for R2 means R2 only. We are applying operation for R3 means first you should consider R3 only. Okay, R2 is equals to R2, because it is minus 1 is there, we can add, that is plus 1 minus 1 equals to, we will get 0. Because these two are in opposites, and we add, that is R2 plus R1. So you can observe that minus 1 plus 1 equals to, we will get 0. Next, similarly for this R3 is equals to R3, because 2 is there, we have to multiply this R1 with 2, that is minus 2 into R1, right? On applying this operation, we get A is equivalent to 1 2 minus 1 3. So see, R2 plus R1, it can be easily calculated here only. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0, minus 1 equals to minus 2, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. For this we do the calculation part in the rough work. Okay, so first write all the R3 entries here. 2 4 minus 4 A. Okay, next minus 2 into r1. Minus 2 into 1 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 equals to 4, minus 4. Minus into minus plus 2. 3 into minus 2 equals to minus 6. So we get 0, 0, minus 2 plus, sorry, minus 4 plus 2 is equals to minus 2. So it becomes a minus 6 as it is. Therefore we get the new entries of R3 are 0, 0, minus 2, a minus 6. Okay. Next we have to make this entry as a 1, but before going to make this 1, we make this below this entry as a 0. So that means we make minus 2 as a 0. For that we apply the elementary operation for R3. R3 is equals to, you can observe that these two of same sign, therefore we have to add. If they are, we have to subtract. If they are of opposite sign, then we have to add, because these two are minus sign, therefore we have to subtract. That is, these two are same elements. R3 is subtracted with R2. So then applying this elementary operation, we get 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 5. Next, R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equals to 0. So see here, this a minus 6 minus R2 means minus 5 equals to, we get a minus 11, right? So thus this last entry is minus 11. But given that rank of this a is equals to 2, implies that it must have 2 non-zero rows. So that means here these two are non-zero rows, this must be 0 row. So in order to make this row as a 0 row, already 3 are zeros, this last entry must be 0. So this implies that this a minus 11 must be 0, which implies that a value equals to, sending this side, we get 11, right? So that a value is equals to 11. The next problem, so the question is same, that find the rank of the matrix by reducing echelon form. Okay, so see here, given matrix is this one, that is solution, let A equals to given matrix. So here you can observe that to reduce echelon form, first entry of the first row should be 1, and remaining, that is below this 1, all must be zeros. Already we have 1, so we have to make these 3 rows zeros, not 3 rows, first entry of this 3 rows zeros. For that, if I multiply this R1 by 2 and subtract with R2, then we will get 0. That is, in order to make this 0, we have to apply the elementary row operation, that is R2 is changed as R2 minus 2 into R1, right? So for this one, okay, so we are applying, because its position is R2, R2 is changed as R2 minus 2 into R1, then we will get 0. See here, R2 means it is 2, minus 2 into R1 means 2 into 1 equals to 2, 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So similarly, here already 1 is there, directly we can subtract, that is R3 minus R1 equals to, we get 0. So next, because here already minus is there, minus into minus we will get plus. Therefore we add these two rows because they have different sign. So if they have different sign, we have to add. If they are of same sign, then we have to subtract. Since these two are of opposite signs, therefore we have to add these two. Therefore that is R4 is changed as R4 plus R1. So then minus 1 plus 1 will get 0. Here we have done the calculation part here in the rough work. So R2, write all the R2 entries, that is 2, 4, 3 and 4, minus 2 into R1 minus, so R1 is multiplied by minus 2, so minus 2 into 1 equals to minus 2, minus 2 into plus 2 is equals to minus 4, minus 2 into minus 1 is equals to, we get plus 2, minus 2 into 4 equals to minus 8. So calculating, that is simplifying this one, minus 2 get cancels, minus 4 plus 4 get cancels, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, 4 minus 8 equals to minus 4. The new entries of, these are the new entries of R2. So R2 entries are 0, 0, 5, minus 4. Next we calculate R3 entries. So write R3 entries here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next place R1 entries here. So because it is minus of R1, therefore we change the sign here, minus 1, minus 2, minus into minus plus 1, minus 4, right? So again calculating, that is simplifying this, we get minus 1 plus 1 gets 0, 0. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, minus 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. Thus the new entries of R3, these are the new entries of R3, are 0, 0, 4 and 0. So like this we can calculate R4 plus R1, R4 plus R1. So this can be easily calculated here. Minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0, 6 minus 1 is equals to 5, minus 3 plus 4 is equals to, minus 7 plus 4 is equals to minus 3. Okay. Next, you can observe that here we have made all the below this leading entry we have made 0. Okay. Next we come to the second row. So here second row of first entry, non-zero entry of the second row is 5, so that we have to make this 1. Okay, before going to make this as 1, we convert, that is we make these two entries as 0, because if you if you make this 1, then we will get this entry as in the fraction. Okay, that is 5 by, so in order to make this entry as a 1, we have to divide this R2 by, that is we have to multiply R2 by 1 by 5. On making R2 by 1 by 5, we will get 0, 0, it becomes 1, but here this entry becomes minus 4 by 5. So this will be in terms of fraction. So after getting fraction, the calculation part for the remaining two rows will be lengthy. Therefore first we make these two entries 0, then we go for making 1. Okay, for that, so see here, now we apply elementary row operation for these two rows to make these two entries as 0. For that, so see here we apply R3, that is operation for R3. So see here we have 4. So in the R2 row we have 5 and in the R3 we have 4. So in order to get 0, we have to multiply this R2 by 4 and R3 by 5. Then we get 5 into 4 equals to 20, 4 into 5 equals to 20, which is equals to 20 minus 20 equals to 0. So that we have to multiply R2 by 4 and R3 by 5. So that, because we are applying operation for R3, first we write R3 only. So 5 into R3, because they are of same sign, therefore we have to subtract minus 4 into R2. Okay, got it? So because just you remember that we have to multiply this entry with this opposite row, that is R2, and this first entry with R3. Okay, 4 into R2, 5 into R3. So that is R3 is multiplied with 5 into R3 minus 4 into R2. Similarly for R4, because these two are same, we can directly subtract R4 minus R2. Okay, so that is 5 minus 5 equals to, you will get 0. Next we do the rough work for this operation, that is first write all the entries of 5 into R3. So 5 into R3, so multiplying the R3 with 5, 0 into 0, 4 into 5 equals to 20. Okay, 4 into 5 equals to 20. Next 0 into 5 equals to 0. Next 4 into R2, 4 into R2, 0 into 4, 0 into 4 equals to 0, 5 into 4 equals to, again we get 20 because it is minus sign, we get minus 20. Next 0 into 4 into R2, 4 into 4 equals to, we get 16 here. So calculating we get 0, 0, 0. So this is 16. Thus the new entries are 0, 0, 0, 16. So next this R4 minus R2 can be easily calculated here only. So see here, R4 minus R2. R4 is 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 3. Sorry, minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 4 is equals to, we get plus 1. Right. Next, now we can make this 16 as 1. But before going to make this 1, first we make below this below this leading entry we make 0. For that we apply again elementary operation for this R4, that is R4 is changed as, because here we have 16, so this is multiplied with this, R4 is multiplied with 16 and R3 is multiplied by 1, that is R16 into R4 minus R3 into 1, which is equals to simply R3. Again calculating, because only one element is there, we can directly calculate this one. So we get 0, 0, 0, 0. 16 into 1 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals to, we get 0. Okay. So here now we can easily make this 5 and 16 as a 1 by multiplying by 1 by 5, here by multiplying this row by 1 by 16. So that is by applying elementary operation we get, so that is R2 is multiplied by 1 by 5 and R3 is multiplied by 1 by 16. Then we get 1, 2. So the first row and second row are same. First row is same. Second row will become 0, 0, 1 because here we have minus 4, we get 1 minus 4 by 5 and R3 becomes 0, 0. 16 by 16 equals to, we get 1. Next last entries are 0, 0, 0. So here in this case it contains 3 non-zero rows. Okay, you can, so this is, it has total, all the elements are 0, therefore it is treated as 0 row. Okay, so it has 3 non-zero rows, therefore its rank is 3. Okay, therefore rank of A is 3. Okay. Next example, given that A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so here already the first entry is 0, but always we need first entry as a 1. So here we have 0, but below this we have 1. So therefore first we need leading element must be 1. Below that we need 0, therefore we interchange this R1 and R2. On interchanging R1 and R2 we get R2 elements are written in the R1 place, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, and R1 is written in the R2 place, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so next it is already 0, we have to make this 1 and 3 as a zeros. For that we apply the elementary row operation, that is here in the R3 it is already 1 is there, so 1 into R3 is equals to R3 minus R1. Next for R4, so here you just remember that this element is multiplied with this one, okay, and 3 is multiplied with R1. Okay, so that R4 is written as 1 into R4 is equals to R4 minus 3 into R1 is equals to 3 into R. Right? So on applying these elementary operations we get, so on applying elementary operations we get new elements 1 1 2 3 3 0 1 2 3 4 0 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8. So rough work is done here. You can note down this one. Okay, now applying R4 is changed as R4 minus 2 R3. Okay, so see here already here we have done 1 0 0 0. So the first column becomes in the echelon form only. So next come to the non-zero entry of the second row, which is equals to 1, and below this we have already 0 0. Now we come for the third, that is first entry of the third row. It is minus 2 is there. So in order to make this, so we have to change this minus 2. Okay, for that we can divide this R3 by, that is we can multiply this R3 by minus 2, or we can do this later on. Okay, so if you first multiplied by minus that is 1 by minus 2, then you will get 1 1 1. Then you can apply the elementary operation here, or you can first apply the elementary operation to in order to make this term, that is this entry is 0. Okay, here we are applying elementary operation for to make this element 0, that is it is in the R4 position. Because these two are of same sign, we have to subtract here. So see here R4 is multiplied with, because R4, so if I multiplied this entry with 2, 2 into 2 is equals to 4, therefore R4 as it is minus 2 into R3. Applying this elementary operation we get, so these R1 and remaining these three rows are same, only this R4 will change, that is 0 0 0 4 4. Now dividing this, that is multiplying R3 with minus 1 by 2 in order to make these terms as 1, so that we get 0 0 1 1 1. So R4 is multiplied by 1 by 4. Okay, so that is applying operation R4 equals to 1 by 4 into R4, we get 0 0 0 4 by 4 equals to 1, 4 by 4 equals to 1. Now it is in the echelon form, and here we have 4 non-zero entries, therefore its rank is 4, right? So similarly we can calculate that is rank of, we can find rank of any matrix by using echelon form. Here we have one more example. So given that A is equals to 1 2 3 2 2 3 5 1 1 3 4 5. So here element, that is leading element is 1. So below that we have to make zeros, that is for this we apply the elementary operation R2 is equals to R2 minus 2 into R1, and R3 is equals to R3 minus R1. On applying this elementary row, so that is simplifying this one. So see here R2 elements are 2 3 5 1 minus 2 into R1. So multiplying this R1 with minus 2, we get minus 2 into 1 is equals to minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 is equals to minus 4, minus 2 into 3 is equals to minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 is equals to minus 4. Simplifying, minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0, minus 1, minus 6 plus 5 is equals to minus 1, minus 4 plus 1 is equals to minus 3. And R3 minus R1, this can be calculated here only. So new entries of R2 are 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Next R3 minus R1. So R3 elements are 1 3 4 5, minus R1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. Simplifying this one, we get 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So thus the new entries of R3 are 0 1 1 3. Now we have made these two are zeros. Next we come to this one, that is minus 1. So here we need plus 1, therefore we can multiply it by minus 1, or we can first make this entry as a 0, then we go for making 1. Okay, so for in order to make this entry as a 0, we apply the elementary operation R3 plus R2. If I apply this operation, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, so that we get 1 2 3 2 as it is, even R2 also as it is, R3 is changed as R3 plus R2, that is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, 3 minus 3 is equals to get 0. Next we multiply this R2 by minus 1. Multiplying by minus 1 we get 0, 1, 1, 3, because minus 1 into minus 1 equals to plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to plus 1, minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to plus 3. We can observe that now it is in the echelon form, and here it has two non-zero entries, this one and first row and second row, therefore its rank is 2. Okay.